How come others scale faster than someone who has just started? Before them is it the niche? I'm just going to keep going and compounding every day. Compounding every day is the number one thing, but I would say the most important thing really is to, yeah, it's like niche selection. Some people get lucky. Like at the end of the day, saying like luck is a bit of a cop out. I don't really like to use it as like an excuse, but I think like there is a big element of luck when it comes to Etsy, because just talking about Etsy Kings members that I speak to a lot on the regular, right? Some of them, let's say, see a lot of success first week. They choose the best products ever. They get a lot of run, and they'll be doing like 10K revenue first month, right? There's a particular guy I have in mind. He did 10K revenue first month, and he just went from there, right? Went up from there. And there's certain people that will take. There's another guy as well who took like 3 months to get to the 10K per month mark, right? Took him a lot longer. He had a lot of problems. He had a lot of bans. He had personal problems. He had like all these different things happening at the same time. And it was very difficult for him to get that up and just get that momentum, right? But then now both of these guys, they're both making around kind of a similar point, right? One of them is making about 15 and a half. One of them is making around 20 a month profit. And it's like 6 months in. And just really bear that in mind. Like, just really bear in mind that like it doesn't come instantly. You got to have patience with the overall goal, speed with the daily tasks. I think that kind of answered your question. Like it just happens at different points for different people, but you got to show up each and every single day, think outside the box, try hard, and you'll succeed.